Hi everyone, it's Kevin from the Figaro Owners Club. This video is all about how to change your wiper blades on your Fig. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. I'm sure you're all familiar with the wiper blades. Obviously they're there and you've got two of them. Now the reason that they fail is usually to do with the rubbers. Obviously after, I think if you Google it, I mean it will say a wiper blade. It says 6 to 12 months, but I mean we've had these on Bell for a good, I think 5 years. But obviously what tends to happen after a period of time, the rubber becomes very hard and it becomes pitted and all sorts. So obviously when it's working, it's not removing the rain anywhere near as well as it should do. So we're going to swap these over with some fancy new ones we brought. These are the ones that the club recommends. So the size you're looking for is 450 millimeters, but they're both exactly the same length, the driver and the passenger side. We've gone for the Bosch Super Plus, and that means you get a slight spoiler effect on here, so that should push the driver one a little bit harder on the screen, which is probably a good thing. I think it goes that way around, so the air will just push the blade to work a little bit better onto the glass. So okay, without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, so I've prepared the new ones up here. So these are the new ones we're going to be putting on, and these are the old ones. So all you need to do is pick up the arm, rotate it around, and there's a little tiny flexible little tab here. So you push that in, and then you need to push the wiper down, and this flexes the rubbers, and then there's a little hole here, and you just basically put it through the hole. Easy. Put the old one back up there. This one here, we know we've already prepared it, so it needs to go again through this little hole here, and then pulling with your finger, just pull this up so you can get it over there, and then that's it, and then it turns like that. And the clever thing is, once it's in that turning position, it can't come out, so it's quite a clever design. So that's all ready. So simple. I'll just show you how to do this one. Again, turning it, pushing that in, pushing it down. Here we go, dunk, like that. That's the old one, and this is the new one. So all pretty simple to do. Okay, even I'm going to get confused now. So that's got to go, yeah, that's it. Going that way. It's quite easy to get confused with this, because you're sort of working the other way around, aren't you? So that goes up through there, like that, bump. And again, once it's locked that way, it can't come off. That's it, perfect. There we go. Okay, that's it. What an easy fix that was for the Fig. That's one of the easiest things I've done on Bell for a long time. So yeah, so basically the wiper blades I think costed me about £10, the Bosch ones. So good quality, not a lot of money. Buy them online, fit them yourself. You don't need to take your car to a garage to get your wiper blades fitted. Okay, so you can do that yourself. Very simple job, and hopefully it will, you know, next time you're out you'll see a difference. But also bear in mind, worth mentioning, that it could be an MOT failure if your wipers aren't working correctly. So again, check that before you take your car into the garage and have it MOT. It's a really easy fix, only a tenner to do. So anyway, I hope that's been useful. I'm going to crack on. Spring's coming. I'm going to crack on and polish Bell in time for our Luxembourg rally coming up very soon. All right, see you all soon. Cheers. Bye.